Today I will show you introduction to Cyclone, how to import data of the Cyclone and the data structure in Cyclone. First, we open the Cyclone. So currently there are no database, you see, and you right mouse click and click database. And now you click add database name. You can add the name of the project instead the name of the database or the name of project. Let's say I set the name is Bình Dương is the name. Normally if you leave it blank, the database will automatically save in the DC with the link like this. And this is Cyclone folder when there are no create project. Right? This is after you install the Cyclone software, it will generate this folder automatically and no database. Now let's see. You will click OK. You see, and after you click OK, the folder Bình Dương will automatically generate. You see. Now you need to import data into the database Bình Dương. There are some kind of many way of import data. It depends on what type of data you want to import. But actually, I mainly use 4 kind of import. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will explain one by one. So the first one imports. Second one imports RTC. The third one imports scan station data, and the last one imports Cyclone register to university project. So I will explain one by one. The first one is imports. It means you need you can import the image, the object, the text file formats, or the point cloud data. Like you see here, when you click import, it will show you the imports from file, and then many kind of formats of point cloud is 57 or reality we use for zero referencing for text file.txt. And you see. The second one is imports RTC to university data. So I will show you more detail in the later video instruction. We have two main things: import project and partially import project. And you can see the difference between two things here. And the third one imports scan station data. Similarly, however, we import from P0, and the third one imports Cyclone register to university project. You can follow this step. After you click here, you can select the project. And now in this video I will show you how to import scan data from RTC to university laser scanner. Right mouse click on the folder Bình Dương, and then you go to import and you select the first one, import the full project. Okay, you click, then you select the folder from the USB contain the raw data. This is the raw data directly from the laser scanner to RTC to university. You see, so we will select the folder contain the scan data. We select this folder, and it's occur here. So what does it mean? You see here we show you the explanation of each sentence of each input parameter. And we will select auto align scan and map color because we want to the point cloud have the color was record from the camera. Okay, so after a few minutes it will show up this for smart slide. Here you have only 2 stations, you see. So we click OK, and they will start to import. Normally it takes more than 1 hour to import data. So now after complete import the data. So let's take a look. You see the folder name Bình Dương will automatically generate, and it contains the Cyclone file.imp. You see it's so heavy .imp. This is Cyclone file.imp. Okay, and now we go back to Cyclone. You see, let's take a look the result after we import process. So this is because it contains 2 scan stations. So let's open 2 space from the scan station 1 in Cyclone. They call workstation, and you see this is the data I show in intensity, and we just try to show in color with the color. Okay, and how about model space? Okay, for model space, similarly, you can rotate the model in 3D. You see. Okay, change to be color, the same thing. Okay, very good. And like here we have 6 photo. Q face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the camera in the laser scanner capture 6 photo, and then we map the color to point cloud. And the question is now import processing time consuming. In practical, if you use one computer to import, if your teammates wanna work on this data, he can use his computer to import .imp file instead of import scanning data like this video. So I will show you later. So now I will show you how to import data. Import the partial project, import only few station. So just similarly, we create new project or new database. Let's say in this time I will create Mizuki. Okay, you see Mizuki folder will automatically generate in this folder. You see, because you left you leave the blank. You see, it's automatically generates after you click OK. So in case you wanna delete the existing folder in Cyclone, you just do follow. Just select database you want to delete and click remove. And then okay. And now we import. We select import partial project. We just want to import only few station. So to do this, we go to it. We will click folder contain this station Mizuki, and similarly we select all the input parameter and it starts to import data. And if we show this, you see it show the folder contain or scan station. Now you can select the station you want to import. Only in this case I select only one station, ngoài nhà 1, right? ngoài nhà 1. This means I select only one station and it will import. It's finished import one station now. So let's see the result. You see only one station here. You see, yes, I have control space, model space, scan image. Let's see the model space. Yeah, this is the point cloud from only one station. As you see, import processing time consuming. In practical, you use only one computer to import. If your teammates wanna work on this database, you can import the .imp file instead of import scanning data like previous video. Now I will show you how to do it. So you should copy the folder Bình Dương to USB, then your teammates copy in his computer. So let's see. You need to copy a folder contain .imp file into new computer, and this is another computer. As you see, different computer. And now what should we do? You open the Cyclone, right? And then you create new database on this computer. You click add, and you create new database. Here you should insert the .imp file. Okay, you select, you go to the location contain the file, the .imp file. Here I contain the file on desktop, and I select .imp, and it's automatically create the database named Bình Dương. You see, click close. Okay, you see, very fast. Just 1 second you import data. You see, very fast, super fast. I can say that. Let's see the result. You see the same. All information will keep in the .imp file. Let's try to open the data. You see, I open data in model space, and you see, yes, all data content is, yes, you see here, yes, very good, very nice. And image also, scan also, you see, all information will keep here. We have 2 scan station. You see, next video I will explain to you the structure of book scan, or we call scan station. This means control space, model space, scan, image, or so on. So